Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and getting the right tool. Download and install Wallpaper Engine or Lively. Choose the version for Windows. Once done, run the installer as administrator so permissions are set correctly. Make sure the app is updated and that you have at least 500 MB free and 2 GB RAM available for smooth playback. You'll also want to close heavy apps to prevent stuttering. This initial setup lets the live wallpaper run reliably. You now import your chosen file or select a community wallpaper inside the app. Once added, open settings to control playback FPS and performance mode, lower FPS and battery saver, keep CPU/GPU usage down. Configure audio handling if the wallpaper includes sound so it mutes or follows system volume. Then assign the wallpaper to the correct monitor, primary versus extended, and preview. Make sure scaling and aspect ratio are correct so the image isn't stretched or cropped. You finish by enabling the app at startup so the live wallpaper loads when you log into Windows. Test lock screen and sleep behavior to ensure the wallpaper resumes after wakes. Adjust hotkeys for quick toggling. If performance drops, switch to a lower quality or performance mode and update your GPU drivers. That often fixes stutter. If the wallpaper won't apply, restart the app, then Windows. These steps save time and prevent common failures when using live wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.